Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we're replacing the O2 sensor Downstream on a 2001 ACURA MDX. O2 sensor plug for Downstream is back there near the firewall. Right here. I'm going to use one of these sockets. These are made specifically for O2 sensors. So these O2 sensors are pretty loose. Alright, we got our O2 sensor out. So here's the replacement. It doesn't have that zip tie, and we don't have these little rubber grommets. Let's make sure the plug looks the same, so that's good. So it should be plug and play. All right, I'm gonna try to transfer this. Right, so this little tab comes off from our original O2 sensor, and we're gonna transfer it over to the new one. There, that's it. Remove this cover. It already has the anti-seize. Let's go ahead and install it. Alright, hit this. I thought this was the wrong size. There you go. Go ahead and push this back up, and we'll have to zip tie it in place. So I put a connector right above that little axle right there. We're gonna reach from the top. There, so you can see it where I just put it. All right, you heard it click, it's in. Diagnostic. Erase. One code found. Let's read codes. Stored codes. Alright. Below threshold, bank 1. Downstream. So we'll go back, we're gonna go erase codes. Erase done, go ahead and exit out. Yes. All right, now turn off the plug OBD. Now the code should be off, and we'll see if the code pops back up after we drive it for a few days. Usually it doesn't turn back on for a couple days. All right, check engine lights off. All right, we should be good to go.